Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. Today I'm going to work on one more upcycled perfume bottle decor. So I have a perfume bottle here which kind of looks like No.5 Chanel bottle. So I wanted to give a Chanel look to it. So I cleaned this, removed the sprayer, and it's dry and ready to be used. And I also want to give like a nice sparkly effect to it. So I have a glitter ribbon. I know I'm not getting over with this, so I'm going to decorate with maybe I'll give the background to it, and I have diamond wrap, the adhesive type, and I also have like a pearl stickers, pink pearl stickers, and white pearls, and also gemstones, and I want like pink ribbon, lace ribbon, and I'm going to use all these to give nice Chanel decor to it. There are so many videos of in the YouTube community of Chanel decor, so I wanted to add my creativity towards it, and I wanted to also decorate the Chanel bottle and give a Chanel bottle look to my one of my perfume bottles. So yeah, let's start working. So while we're gone, I was preparing the glitter ribbon to cover the letters. So I'm going to do something like that. So there you have it, the final look of the Chanel inspired look. So I gave the number 5 Chanel look to one of my regular perfume bottle. So I had covered that with the glitter ribbon on both sides because I had to completely cover it because the letters were everywhere on the bottle. So I had covered it, the whole bottle front and back, with the glitter ribbon, and I also decorated the borders with diamond wrap. And I also had to cover the sides because the letters were shown from the side as well, so I had to cover it with the diamond wrap and also give a nice look to it. I also had 4 gems on the 4 corners to just zazz it up, and I also had covered the neck part of it also as with the diamond wrap, and the cap as well. I had diamond wrap on it, and then I also added this pink pearl adhesive wrap. I gave it on the top of the cap to add more decor to it. The C's of the Chanel I made with those pearls, the pink pearls. I hope you like it. It came out right. So, and also the pink ribbon. I tied it like a bow and attached a pink pearl to it. So yeah, I'm very happy how it turned out. I'm going to decorate somewhere, maybe the vanity, makeup vanity. I'm going to put there, or I'll find a place to decorate this. So I'm very happy how it turned out. I hope you liked it too. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, like, share, and click on the bell icon for more updates on videos like this. So yeah, stay safe and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.